Good morning, distinguished judges. My name is Rayson Pua, and I am the founder of Scroll Advertising. Thank you for this opportunity to present our business plan. Every single sale in the world starts with the same thing, a moment of attention. But for millions of businesses, that moment is being stolen by a broken advertising market, trapped between invisible static billboards and digital screens they simply cannot afford. The result, sales funnels are collapsing before they can even begin. Our solution isn't just clever, it's legally protected. This granted patent on our mechanized scrolling system is what secures our 10 times advantage. It's not just that we are better and cheaper, we have a government granted monopoly on this specific innovation, creating a formidable barrier for competitors and solidifying our market position for years to come. Let's look at the engineering that makes this possible. We build it to be robust and easily deployable on infrastructure like lampposts without invasive work. The core is a custom computer board that synchronizes multiple units for a professional site-wide presence. Crucially, the system is intelligently managed. It features remote monitoring and diagnostics, providing real-time operational status. This ensures maximum uptime and allows for proactive maintenance, making the entire network highly reliable and efficient. Combined with its brilliant LED lighting and multi-page capacity, this is the sophisticated low-maintenance technology that delivers on our promise of radical affordability and unmatched reliability. The opportunity is massive and validated by the competitors' own focus. They leave the core of the economy behind. Our model is built on powerful unit economics. Each scroll unit is a strong profit center, making our path to scalability both clear and capital efficient. We activate this through a triple win strategy. Businesses get the impact they need. Our partners, including but not limited to cities and municipalities, get a new revenue stream from underutilized assets, and we build a dense, dominant, and profitable advertising network. We are not just planning, we are execution ready. The technology is de-risked with a working prototype and crucially is protected by our granted patent, creating a significant barrier to entry. Our financial model validates a rapid path to profitability. We project scaling to 120 units and generating a net profit of over $225,000 in our first year. This is not just an idea. I have lived through the pain of technological disruption, and that experience is the fuel for this mission. We are seeking $250,000. This is a strategic investment to fund an accelerated launch, allowing us to manufacture a larger initial fleet, secure premium locations, and execute a market dominance strategy from day one. Our financial plan outlines a clear and aggressive growth trajectory. Year one is about launching a profitable proof of concept. Year two is about scaling to dominate our initial market. This investment directly catalyzes this journey to become a regional leader. In summary, our business plan presents a venture that is timely, viable, and poised for growth. We have a critical problem, a 10 times better solution, a proven business model, and the right team. We are ready to execute. Thank you.